So I've been asked this quite a lot, and that is to make pan, stove, top shawarma, chicken shawarma. So we're going to do that. So is it exactly the same as a normal shawarma? No, not exactly, because you know the shawarma comes on a big stick, a rotary stick, and it's sliced off. But yeah, it's kind of near there. I've been asked to do it quite a lot. Now I'm serving this as a shawarma plate with some hummus and mutton. There's a shawarma there. You always need to have some fries in it, a bit of garlic sauce and some pickle. This is actually called a malgun, which is got lots of cheese in it, and the bread is different. It's more of a paratha. But anyway, let's get on with that. It's really quite simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Greek. So what we have here is some chicken. I've got chicken thigh. I find the dark meat of chicken thigh much nicer for this than breast. You can use breast if you want, or you can do a little mix of the two. Now we've got skin on that. We're going to be cooking it with the skin. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, and then 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. What we're going to do is give that a little mix. Okay, so very simply what we're going to do is get it all into this bowl. Now you can see that I've cut the meat fairly randomly. We're going to start off by dropping in that little bit of lemon juice and the olive oil. A couple of teaspoons of garlic, and then let's take one more look. Salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, little touch, optional, chili powder. You can see I've got my glove on. I'm going to go in, I'm going to give that a mix. Now what you want to do really, ideally, is stick that in the fridge overnight. But at least an hour. At least, but really, overnight's going to be magic. So shrink wrap, cling film, or plastic wrap, whatever you call that. Beautiful. Okay, so you're going to need a skillet, pan, or something like that. You don't need to put any oil or anything in there because we've got oil already in the chicken. The heat's on, we're going to get that hot. Here's our chicken here. We're just going to get it all in, the whole lot. It's going to be about 6 minutes on a high heat. I'm going to be turning it quite a lot. We actually kind of want to char it a little bit of burntness on it. Is actually where we want to be. Okay, off goes the heat. Now, these kind of charred, burnt bits are really essential to the flavour. What we're going to do now is we're going to get that out. Once it cools down, I'm going to chop it into kind of small pieces. So what I've done there is I've just taken the chicken and I've sliced it into kind of long, thin pieces, or as much as I can, you know. It's really beautiful. It's got that kind of charredness on the outside, which you want, and it's beautifully moist and super tasty, of course. That's it. You can serve that however you want, as a shawarma plate, in a shawarma, with a few different things. All right, and there you go. So I've just plated that up. So you can do it as a shawarma plate, or you can do it as a shawarma in a shawarma. You'd put some fries, some pickle, and some garlic sauce. Not in all of them. This one actually is a paratha with lots of cheese in it, called al malgun. I've got some hummus here, some mutton there, bit of salad, bit of chili. Have it how you like, but yeah, that's a kind of easy way to cheat a chicken shawarma. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.